Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial, I'm gonna talking about the article tag. So what it does, you write the article like news article. So how you gonna define that in a what we call HTML? So this is what the all about. So first, what you need to do is remove anything which are present in the HTML tag. No, don't do this if you want to need that. So first, type article and remove class. We do not need class, we are not doing any CSS work, so yeah. So and then give a h1 and something like Google Chrome, and a p tag, and just write it about it like Google Chrome is a open source choice, CHOIC. So this is what it does. It's totally look like an article, and yeah, you need to change it to look good. So yeah, so this is what it does. It's totally become an article, and for big purpose you need that kind of thing. So what you need to do is lorem, I already teach about that. It's just a bunch of string thrown together, so it's totally look like an news article. So this is what it does. So see you guys in the next tutorial.